Hola, and welcome back to Kim at Home. Today's video is all about speed cleaning as well as deep cleaning, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. My plan today was to wash the walls down, but realistically, I'm kind of tired. So I'm gonna listen to my body because that's what you're supposed to do. And I'm only going to wipe down the spots that are really bad. I'm gonna do a quick dusting of the wall and then go from there.
It's time to open your eyes and let go. You got a lot of exes, but none of them know you better. The stories you've heard could be you and I. Hey, let me explain, get to the reason why it's not.
Obviously, it's hard to tell on camera, but y'all know if you've been here for a while that I live in a dust bucket, and these walls are extremely dusty.
Won't you let it go?
If this is your first time here, my name is Kim, KYM. I love doing videos pertaining to home life. So it's cooking, cleaning, shopping, doing repairs, DIYs, home projects, that sort of thing. So if that sounds like your jam, please do not forget to hit the like button as well as the red subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so you can know the next time I post a video.
Need you to let go. Side while you tumble way below the waves, undercurrent pulls you in. I try to guide you out to calm waters. Just give me.
Check out these vacuum lines.
Oh, we gotta let go.
We have entered Kim's studio, aka the kitchen, okay? I am a mad scientist up in here. Anyway, I have to get some things done in here as well.
Let go. Oh, we gotta let go. Let go. Let go. Let go.
The other day when I opened this drawer, I noticed there was a lot of baking soda at the bottom of it. Let me explain. So I like to clean the stove sometimes with baking soda because it does a very good job. So I wanted to make sure that I got that cleaned out. Let me know how you're doing below in the comments. I have been working and watching TV and working. That's about it. I'm definitely all about that simple life.
Let go. Somehow it knows you might come back. Just let me stand in your rain, that torrent of
There's something about clean appliances, especially the stove. Like I said before, I am a mad scientist in my kitchen. I love to cook, and I also like to clean, believe it or not. I know a lot of people don't like to do that, but I can definitely make cleaning easier for you. If you are interested, hit me up on Instagram and we can do a consultation. I will definitely say if you have any kind of anxiety that you're dealing with, it's definitely really good to keep a clean and clear space, because a cluttered space is a cluttered mind. It is a known fact. Check the statistics. Don't argue with me, argue with your mama, okay? So let me just tell you this. My cabinets and my closets in my home are a hot mess. I decided that I really needed to, take care of that because Christmas is coming right around the corner, and I really need to do better at organizing because I have a lot of stuff that I need to put away and a lot of stuff that I need to bring out. And again, I need to do better at organizing. That is definitely going to be my goal for 2024. I'm not the type of person to make New Year's resolutions because I know that I'm not going to meet those resolutions just because I put too much of a high standard on them. So my goal, not my New Year's resolution, is to make sure that everything is taken care of and organized in 2024. Let's see how that goes. I hope somebody keeps me accountable here in these comments, okay? Let me tell you something, there is enough spices right here to season some chicken. By the way, if you are someone who takes life too serious and you don't like to joke around and just have fun and dance and that sort of thing, this may not be the channel for you. I'm just letting you know. A few things about me and everybody on this channel who supports me that are my family members: we love to uplift one another and we also love to have fun. One thing that I've learned about life is it's important to love yourself, because if you don't know how to love yourself, it's going to be hard for you to accept love and love others. With that being said, I hope everyone is saying their affirmations. I hope you're looking in the mirror and you're really getting it together mentally. It's time for healing in 2024. We are not going to be miserable. We are not going to be sad. We are going to uplift one another. We're going to love one another. We're going to show love to people out here in this world, and life is just going to be so much better for us. One thing about my family and I, we are definitely not salt and pepper people. We like seasoning, okay? There's going to be all kinds of seasoning in the food that we make up in here because it's going to be full of flavor, love, and it's going to be delicious. One thing about me is this is a house that I live in, so nothing is going to look Pinterest worthy. The goal is for everything to be clean. I don't care if there's a blue, an orange, and a red basket, especially because it's behind closed doors. I just want everything to be clean.
Whatever you do.
You'll have to let me know below in the comments if when you're cleaning out your cabinets, you wipe the items that are in there as well. For me, I feel like it's a good idea because I live in a dust bucket and dust can gravitate toward cabinets too.
All alone. You know it's dangerous to go alone. Don't let the street lights hit you. Can I be on? Play it too.
Do you have a routine every morning? Part of my self-care is waking up every day. I read my word and then I say, you know what, Kim, today is a great day to have a great day. Always remember that there is always light, if only we're brave enough to see it and if only we're brave enough to be it. Try to do and be your best every single day because you know what? You have a do-over from the day before. Life is 10% of what happens to you and then the 90% of how you react to it. In life, you always have to remember that you will be dealt with a hard deck of cards sometimes. But again, how are you going to react to what you've been dealt with? When we walk around and we're moody, we're mean to people, and not a very nice person to ourselves, then that is exactly what we are going to get back. It's really like the boomerang effect. Where there is no struggle, there is no strength. When you inspire others, you will be inspired. Obviously, every day is not full of sunshine and rainbows, but you can really bring that light, right? And if you get tired, learn to rest, but don't quit.
Slow down. Don't wanna lose it, what we got. Don't wanna lose it. No, I don't. No, I don't. There's no confusing. This is love. Baby, keep moving. Beat don't don't stop. This thing we got it. I know I love it. No need for it to stop. Cloud nine, I love it here on cloud nine. You're mine, yeah, you're so good, you stop time.
Throughout this video, I've been cleaning with Method General All-Purpose Cleaner as well as vinegar. Okay, vinegar is my jam. And you know what? I'm speaking into existence, and I do all the time. Vinegar's gonna sponsor me one day. I say that with the utmost confidence because you are supposed to speak those things as though they are.
I know I love it. No need for it to stop.
With my floors, I use my man 𝐸 to mop, and before I do that, I always spray water and vinegar on the floor. Be sure that you are disinfecting your dustpan every time you use it. Being that we cook all the time in this house, we cook 2 to 3 times a day between all of us. This sink be dirty, okay? And it's just always dirty. I feel like I can never do anything to just, make it clean for longer than 5 minutes. Let me know below in the comments what the dirtiest spot in your house is.
This thing we got is. I know I love it. No need for it to stop.
It's now time for me to prepare my lunch for like the next 2 days or so. Oh, and by the way, I washed this chicken off with vinegar prior to putting it in here. Yes, girl, wash your chicken, wash your meat before you eat it. I mean, I know that people say that you can, cook all of the bacteria and stuff off, but that's just not good enough for me. I'm all about teaching my 12-year-old how to cook and how to clean as well. It's like this, at the end of the day, she may be alone when she's older and she's gonna need to know how to take care of herself. So I'm trying to set her up to be a functioning human and not for failure. These are also great memories that we're creating together, and you never know, if she does decide to have kids when she's older, then hopefully she will pass that on as well. We do not fry food in the house, we fry that outside in the garage. Karia is doing the last bit of the salmon. I'll show you what it looks like. I'm also sauteing up some onions and zucchini. No matter what I do, the onions always get to me. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you hanging out with me. Leave me some purple hearts below in the comments. Just know that when you look in that mirror, you need to be honest with yourself and say, you know what? I am worthy. I am enough. I am fearfully and wonderfully made. I am beautiful. Let me tell you something. It's going to make you feel so much better about life. And don't stop doing it when you feel better. Keep doing it. That way you can pass that love on to other people. There are so many things that we all need to be healed from. We all deserve love, support, and kindness. So go out and spread it.
No matter what we go through, keeping it between us two, me and you. Can we survive the distance?